we're off to Kuujjuaq today, and we've got up really early to get the best weather. You can see from the video, it's quite nice over there, but there is some rain between us and Kuujjuaq, and we just have to skirt around it. It's really nice being at an airport early, nobody else around, and the security is so lovely. They let you in. It officially opens at 7, and I think it's 6:30 now, so we'll be away in a couple of minutes. This is the map of the area. Kuujjuaq is where we're at, and we've got a choice. We can go up the left-hand side or up the right-hand side to make that jump to the island up there, which is Baffin. And we're just going to look at the weather because it looks clearer to go up the right leg.